Hello, Dodge from Firenock here. Welcome to another mini lecture. Last time we discussed one of our products, AeroBump, our take on the string bump and its utilization of titanium. For this video, we will talk about another titanium-based Firenock product that is a little bit more involved, AeroStab, our stabilizer system. The AeroStab take a different approach to stabilizer than anything else on the market. What is a normal stabilizer? They are just a bar that you can weight to, right? While the AeroStab configuration on screen might seem the same as any other stabilizer at first glance, they are not. At Firenock, our intention for AeroStab was to develop a stabilizer system that does more. Our goal was to take advantage of leverage instead of weight. By efficient adjustment, excessive weight is unnecessary. We'll go into how we accomplish this throughout this video. Unlike most stabilizer weight, we offer relative lightweight from 1 to 8 ounces. This is of course because our shift in focuses. Using our hollow stud and our patented O-ring system, weights can be micro-adjusted just enough closer or further away to perfectly balance your bow. By starting off with overall less weight in your stabilizer system and eventually your full setup, no overcompensation can occur. We'll demonstrate all of this later in the hands-on section. You can also mix and match AeroStab components with other companies' components. We offer accessories like our 1/4 inch weight bushing, as well as a coupler with our standard 5/16-24 thread on one side and a 1/4-20 thread on the other side. This accessory allows the transition to Firenock approach to be at your own pace. Once again, like AeroBump, AeroStab, our bars are made of titanium to take advantage of vibration isolation properties. To quickly summarize, the term vibration isolation means the minimization of vibration through passive or active methods. While most metals need active or intelligent isolation generated by machine to negate vibration, titanium does not require external assistance to isolate or insulate energy. It does it on its own. Even in our approach, encourage less overall weight. We believe that it is critical to use titanium because we do not want any shock return to the bow. How we do connect this weight and bars to the AeroStab system? The answer is our 11-element connection pieces. Designed for complete customization, these components work together to be able to form almost infinite possibility. To start, there are 2 options for front mount. The front angle mount allows the front bar to be dropped to a specific angle. It does that by utilizing a GL5 titanium tightener nut. The other front mount option include what we call a quick release receiver or QRR. This receiver, as the name suggests, paired with a quick release pin to make installation and removal of any AeroStab stabilizer bar simple. Once you set up your system exactly how you want it, you lock and mark in it. Then, with quick release system, you can disassemble and reassemble the AeroStab at will without sacrificing those settings. There are also 4 elbow pieces. 2 titanium elbow and 2 elbow link, each type offer also with a quick release receiver. The titanium elbow are for parallel plane adjustment, while the elbow links are perpendicular plane adjustments. If you're ever confused, notice that where the laser markings are. A titanium elbows have marking around its loop end, while an elbow link have some on its base. We have circled them for reference here. Next, there is the bow side mount with its longer length and its single side adapter. We also offer a coupler to combine different studs or bar link to extend a system. Last, as of 2021, the AeroStab can be added to crossbow using our standard or Picatinny adapters. If there was any confusion, we'll show you how it all works in demonstration. To secure all those connections between pieces, we also offer custom fasteners. While there are already O-rings installed on one end of most connection pieces, an O-ring and titanium washer is required at every single connection. Extra washer and O-ring replacement available in pack of 6 and 7 respectively. All fasteners can be torque tightened using a T40 driver. That is the end of this portion of the lecture. For later references and general preferences, we will also make a separate video of just the demonstration.